Claypool represents members of the Avalos family.
While we're pleased with the board approving the $32 million settlement, this isn't the end of the Anthony Avalos case. This is just the beginning.
He says they will be seeking some new laws, including one which he explains.
A requirement under state law that if there's a report of severe suspected abuse of a child, that a trained forensic psychologist must be deployed to interview that child outside the presence of the parents.
Anthony's mother and her boyfriend are awaiting trial for murder. Supervisor Catherine Barger issued a statement saying in part that although the board has approved the settlement, no amount of money will bring Anthony back. Margaret Carrero, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
People are already landing in the hospital with the flu, about a month ahead of the traditional flu season. Natalie Davidian says health experts are reminding people to get the vaccine.
Dr. William Schaffner, medical director of the National Foundation for Infectious Diseases, says it's not, quote, only the flu.
We're going to have a very substantial influenza season. We have to remind people that in addition to COVID, they know about COVID, there's this other virus out there, influenza, and we can provide protection against both by a vaccine against each.
The CDC says minority communities have the highest rates of hospitalization and lowest rates of the flu vaccine.
I think we need to all work together to get as many people vaccinated against influenza as possible.
Dr. Schaffner says anyone older than 6 months can get the flu shot. Natalie Tavidian, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
It's 12:11. To give you a traffic update in 4 minutes.
If you owe back taxes to the IRS, have unfiled returns, or are worried about an audit, the IRS is hiring 87,000 new agents to address these very issues. That means if you need to get your tax problems resolved, now is the time to get started. I'm tax attorney Robert Goldstein, and my firm specializes in helping individuals and small businesses resolve their tax problems. We work to stop IRS and state seizures. We may be able to settle your tax debt for pennies on the dollar with an offer in compromise. We prepare your past due returns, even if you have no records, and represent you before the IRS and state in an audit. At the law offices of Robert Goldstein, the consultation is always free, and we have offices located throughout the Bay Area. To schedule your free consultation, call 1-888-TAX-EXIT. That's 888-TAXEXIT. 888-TAX-EXIT, and make us your last stop.
Fall is chaos in your pants. You're overheating 1 second and freezing the next. To be ready for anything, you need underwear that can handle everything. It's time for Tommy John underwear. In Tommy John underwear, you're that much more comfortable, so you can do everything better. Tommy John's breathable, lightweight fabric has 4 times the stretch of competing brands. They come with a no-wedgie guarantee, thanks to a non-rolling waistband and legs that never ride up. And Tommy John loungewear is guaranteed to fit perfectly, with comfy, non-pilling micromodal fabric, meaning no lint balls or fuzz, and a luxurious soft tri-blend fabric with flexible 4-way stretch. With over 17 million pairs sold, people love Tommy John underwear and loungewear.